Sporting Kansas City is one of the premier franchises in Major League Soccer. It's imperative that our athletes perform at the highest level possible. There's 4 specific things that every player needs to step on the field. There's technical, tactical, physical, and psychological. You can't do the other 3 unless you're physically prepared. Everybody wants to be the best in everything that they do. Why not healthcare? What if the same healthcare system developed for professional athletes was offered to leadership teams and executives, the corporate athletes of the business world? How high would they perform? At Elite Physicals, the same opportunity can be yours through a year-long physician concierge service that creates a new standard for what an executive physical should be.
When people think of an executive physical, it's usually a 1 to 3 day event where you'll jump through hoops, get a scorecard, look at some numbers, and you're good. See you next year. Not the case at Elite Physicals. Elite's Executive Physical Program is the most in-depth health and wellness program in the country. It's all about living your best life because healthcare should not be stressful or time-consuming.
The model was based on the exam that I performed with Sporting Kansas City's team for the last 25 years. And just because you're an executive doesn't mean that you don't have to be at the top of your game. What we want to do is treat you like the professional athlete of your company. Elite offers more healthcare services than any clinic in the country. Mayo Clinic, Duke, Cleveland, nothing comes close. When you arrive for your physical, it's an amazing experience where 20+ hand-selected medical professionals roll out the red carpet just for you. The benefit of having multiple providers on our team is that each provider has a different perspective. You gain exclusive access to a cutting-edge facility and are examined and treated by medical visionaries using state-of-the-art equipment not available to the public. This is a service normally reserved for the highest performing athletes.
I'd heard about Elite Physicals and thought, sure, an executive physical where Sporting Kansas City trains? Absolutely, sign me up. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? But then you arrive and you're like, whoa, this is healthcare at a whole new level. I had a medical team there to support me the entire time. Not a doctor, no, an entire team of doctors and healthcare professionals that I got to meet with one-on-one, including my primary care physician, Dr. Neil Erickson. Also, my chiropractor, my nutritionist, my orthopedic surgeon, my cardiologist, my fitness coach. I say my because they really are mine. They're my team, and they were all there just for me. Words can't describe it. It was and continues to be one of the most incredible experiences of my life.
Elite's Physical is an extraordinary experience, but it's not limited to a one-day event. It extends throughout the year as we monitor your progress and we coach you along the way. Elite monitors your physical health, your mental health, and even identifies your leadership talents so that they can be developed into strengths. We're not just doctors and healthcare providers, we're educators. We want you to understand what your body's telling you so that you can live your best life.
If you're a business owner or a top executive and you want to reward some of your top employees, there is no, and I mean no better way to do it than with an Elite Physical. This is a reward that's going to carry them through the rest of their life. This is about their health. This is about their families. This is about your business and your employees. You couldn't do anything better for an employee than give them an Elite Physical.
Elite's Physician Concierge Service is where the highest caliber individuals go to evaluate their health. Regardless of your current health and physicality, Elite teaches you how to execute at the next level and beyond. Learn more by visiting elitephysicals.com today. Browse the website, request more information, and take your next step to elite physical healthcare.